All right, guys. So I gave a task earlier, and I was like, okay, people should. Some people jumped on this design. Great. I'm gonna review that real quick. But then that's not even why we are here right now. It's because of this task. Okay, so I dropped a design which was this. Here, right, and I said something. Okay, let me create a new page. I said make the design better. Okay, make it better. That's what I said. Now I saw a lot of redesign of this, and to be honest, great attempt, but I mean, it could be better. Here, firstly, Taiwo, I think he later made some changes after I gave him a couple of feedback, but then I think he learned from some of the people that posted that were good. Uh, yeah, firstly, there's just so much going on here. I'll copy it, right? Then I'll paste like what makes your design different from this one. The last one is the way you placed your mockup and the more vibrant illustration you used. All right. You jumped back right in literally on the same problem. Again, be so creatively explorative. Don't constrain yourself to, I mean, design principles are is a language that any man that when spoken, um, when rightly spoken can be understood, right? It is very objective. Do you get? Because I posted this does not mean you should subject yourself to doing something similar to this. Speak the design principle. And this design is a lot more better, right? It's a lot more better. Shout out to Brain Tech. Okay? A lot more better because it's properly well contrasted compared to this first issue. Users will struggle to read this too. A, a different conformance level of users. Will I say low or high now? Conformance level of user will struggle to see this. Conformance level as per in terms of accessibility. They struggle to read what's going on because I mean you're putting bright text in a bright background. Like make it make sense. Do you get? Same thing they did here. I think this one even contrasts better than yours. Do you understand? So yeah, shout out to you still. Shout out to you still. So this works better. Okay. This works better. Great attempts. Great attempts, but then great attempt actually. But it could be better. Still. Here too, great attempt actually, but it could be better. Here, bright color in bright background. It could be better. I saw what you did. You know, oof, better. Okay, so and then I think there's one more that I'm not opening up that is actually like really good by one of our guys. Actually an OG, just the wine us for this group. So I mean, where is this? Where is this guy? How do I open the design and go? I think the options they are giving. Okay. Now this is how is very well contrasted. You see. You see. So if I was given a problem like this to solve, it's simple. And you want me to still stick with your whole color and stuff. Let's go for iPhone 13 first. Now, firstly, you could tell this guy here, this hippo. Let's do the first one, and then that's the only one I will do. Go hippo, okay? I'll increase the size like so. Hippo, fast, fast, swap, fast, swap. Now there's hippo, fast, swaps. Okay. I'll reduce the size a bit. Okay, so firstly, that I'm reducing the size does not mean I cannot increase this one, right? This is walkthrough screen for crying out loud. It's okay if you are you explore. Do you get? If I want to put it like this, it is okay. I want to put it like this. Do you get? But then one of the things you must learn to master is your grid. Your grid. You need to master your grid. So after this now, let's type this out. 8, say 8 times faster than web, than web execute. I feel like they need to um do this thing where you type it just keeps on increasing. Execute fast swaps. What they're writing gone natively natively from apps and beats other triggers. So firstly, all this here, there's no need of capitalizing it. Just make it small letter. Go on, like this. This one's gone. Small letter. Right? The web to here, small letter. Alright. So I just carry it. Okay. Take it here. Press my K, reduce the size. Make sure that it's around 14. Okay. Now, what's in gonna say might be looking too big in my eyes. Now ready to contrast a bit. See, it always starts with black and white. It makes sense, I mean, it no make sense. Where's my ruler? Show my ruler. I see, I'm doing this. Probably will do this. Right? Now, I always tell you before you start doing ruler like this, somebody said I should explain it. Let's say I even define my grid. Okay, my layout grid. Before, right? And then maybe margin 24, then we got a 16. Right? Knock this one for here. I knock this one for here. See, technically it's still working out for me. Right? Then I might even now then have something around here for the okay. So I mean there will even be illustration. So illustration can be somewhere around here. I could even maybe just put it somewhere around here. You get let me use gray here. You see? Like the fact that nobody was actually trying to everybody's onboarding screen was looking very normal. I mean, there's nothing wrong in normal, but then people fast swam. Crazy part is this swam fast go. I can just say, let me make it italic. Alright? Or even hippo. We'll make it italic. Now, hippo, without even saying fast, it's already depicting that it's fast. Okay, well then let's keep only that one like that. Alright, so okay. I'm thinking of medium. Yeah, so right around there, medium. Okay, okay, of course, if you know me, you know that I'm going for reducing the uh, line height as it should be. -12 is just wild. At best, maybe -3. So you see, actually way better than what it was before. This spacing here could be closer. I don't want it to feel disconnected. This guy can be somewhere around here. I don't mind. Okay. Now, after you're done with that, then we can now say move this up a bit, the space in the top. Then you can now say copy this, paste here, create wallet, wallet, okay, and then there's import existing wallets, right? So all right, so my point still remains that you should not be boxing yourself, right? Allow yourself to creatively what? Explore, right? So yeah, here I probably will say create wallet, and I'll probably just make the contrast 100% just to just because I'm designing in black and white for now. So yeah, I could do like 100% radius. I mean, and then bring this here, make it black, then say import existing what? Wallet. Now, very conscious about the text size. So you see, I just took it back to 16, right? 16. So letter spacing also is something you want to be conscious of. So I probably want to leave it at maybe 1 or 2%. Okay. So yeah, okay, I think I cut it and put it back inside. It was outside the frame, so I needed to bring it back inside. So yeah, we could do this, right? So you see, I mean, I see a lot of times people use, so if I duplicate this, then use it outline like this, then post this guy back inside. So there's this, I see a lot of people doing this. If you want to do this, like, just don't make it odd. It feels somehow. Just make this guy here a lot lighter. Maybe the stroke to the button. Just make it light. Just make it light. Do you get? Make it light. All right. So this other guy so it could be light, but then not too light. Right? It could be light, but then not too light. All right. So you see, now we've gotten this. Okay. Now another part that I feel like we could still have is this guy going on here, right? So I'm just going to draw the kidney. Again, remember I'm making it gray, right? So probably make the gray like this, draw something in the inside. I animated this stuff. My friend was like, a designer friend of mine was like, eh, it's moving. Oh. He said, eh, it's moving. Oh. Crazy. So, yeah, this one I'm going to constrain it top and bottom because if I want to scale, like so, I like it to follow through for me, right? So I'll do this. I'll do this. I keep it like right around here. Then I'll just duplicate for others. I think four. Nah, to me, right? Three is just fine. Instead of having four, this thing is, I mean, it's not really my three is just fine. I'm gonna make this few so I can then control it to how I want. All right. So this place here like this, it's okay to make it zero, to be honest, in terms of the width, because you might need it. Okay. So see, turn on my grid, and then right. That's how I looks like to use my ruler. So I would not need to turn on my grid if my ruler was already set there, right? So you see, I probably want to reduce the height a bit. It's not working. The reason it's not working is because the inner text is set to fixed. So I'll just click in and then reduce it to maybe 4. Okay. 4 is not giving what I wanted to give. So 6, I say, all right. So you see, you have something like this. All right. So you're asking now, from this point, how do you take it to that point? Yeah, let's take it to the point. Say it's dark mode that. So the assumption is they're using dark mode. And if I select this color, okay, see this color, you just look beautiful, go already. Like, do you understand? I'll copy that color outside. I need it. Let me just put it outside. Okay? Because there's more. You don't just settle for stuff like that. If I check, you see there are other beautiful colors in the palette. How they scale their color gum, I don't know, but what I would do if I was in their shoes, I would scale the color, right? I see a very beautiful gradient right now that is about to go down. You get like somewhere right around here. This is a fine gradient. Then I'll do this, open it up. Then I'm probably like tilt it down to somewhere around here. Like you get, it's looking so fine. Okay, let's try that again. I feel like I'm acting out of emotions at this point. Even this here. Let's find a more vibrant, not too vibrant balance, right? Or say if we're to go this, I'll go to my HSP, okay? I'll say okay. Say as a bad reach, we're reaching here, somewhere around here. I'm like curving it a bit to this place, right? So I'll start a right somewhere around here, okay? Right, so this here, probably want to turn it white, obviously. Here, I want to turn it to white, but at the same time, kill the opacity. And this is the best use case for opacity. When you are using gradient, it's not safe for you to find that this color. I mean, of course, you could have the shade and then try out the shades, but then it's safer with yeah, it's safer. So here what I'm actually thinking is using the same color I used, but maybe making it darker or lighter. Darker or lighter. Do you get darker or lighter? It's bringing it up. Do you get bringing it up? So if I'm probably to even find it, you see, I'll keep it like this. See my B needs to go up. My B would have to go up. You see, so so this guy now, obviously they are both turning white tickets, but then this guy, the stroke, the rule still applies. Keep it very subtle, right? Keep it subtle. In fact, at this point, we don't even need it. Do you understand? We don't need it. Working with gradients can be very, very difficult. Very, very difficult. Okay, let's go and check for illustration. Hmm, let's check for illustration. Let's say crypto swap. Keywords when you're trying to look when you're looking for illustration, use keyword. Okay, somebody did this. I saw this illustration in somebody's design. Cute. But first thing that came to my face, I'll just replace it here. Right? So now, do we have an image or not? We have an image. Is it imaging? Yes, it is imaging. Okay? Like, do you realize? Did you know what I want to try out right now? I want to try out crazy stores. Okay, send it back. You get increase the vibrance. Gosh. Mm. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So again, that rule applied here. Um, don't make it too much. This medium gun is giving me an ick. Keep it around regular, man. Can't even stress. I'm not gonna lie. But the medium again, again, is helping. It was helping a lot in terms of um since you guys are clicking on it, I've seen a couple of design systems where the button is actually medium. Just because since that's the next action thing, it needs to be very, very clear, precise. So you see, like this is literally my exploration to this. Should I put it on mock? Should I put it in mockup here? I'll go to mockup. I have tons of free mockup and make use of. If you guys want this file, I mean it's a free community file, sure. If I go to mockup, I see couple of make mockups. Try it out. Mm. So remember, I use Photoshop, guys. Like I literally use Photoshop. So you see, now we have this, and then we have this. Funny world we live in. Funny world. Funny world. All right. Sorry, a few seconds. Let me stop. We need the God. Ugh. Guys, we need to do something. So office, see this is the illustration I'm looking for. I've seen it though. You don't worry yourself. I'm trying to search for it here. I know the one I want us to use. iPhone 16. Ah, okay, it's about coming up right now. This one. Mm-mm. Calm down. This one, go. I want us to use. Uh, 3 seconds. Sorry. Yes. Why is he not responding? Okay, I think he should respond now. Uh-uh. Hey, Chimle. Let's run it again. Sorry. It didn't work before. Hopefully it will work now. Okay, turn it off. Open here. Go to your design. Copy. PNG. Okay. Oh, Chim. Guys, I think I will just do this thing and send it to you people. But then, I mean, you guys already have a video for this. So, I mean, I'll just double click it to open the smart object. I'll paste the design there, scale it up, and then we should be done.